Ardent Concepts is dedicated to finding creative and effective solutions for the challenges and demands encountered by engineers as they seek to create the world's fastest, highest performing electronic systems. One of these solutions is Ardent's SK Series family of sockets. The following video provides an overview of the product series design options, key benefits, and how our unique contact technology makes our test sockets an integral solution for the design and development of next-generation electronics. As a true solderless solution, our sockets enhance the test and measurement process in the following ways. Sockets can be easily mounted and demounted with a few screws, encouraging reuse across board revisions. Durable 40 GHz socket solutions offer low-loss connection for high-performing devices. Design flexibility with up to 82.5 by 82.5 mm package sizes, multiple lid and base design options, and OEM moldable designs. Dual-sided compression mount technology brings a robust range of benefits to the test and measurement field. Every contact in our sockets must be fully and evenly compressed simultaneously to function, meaning you get a reliable, accurate measurement with every use. Additional benefits provided by our dual-sided compression mount technology include signal integrity better than that of conductive elastomer with the reliability of a pogo pin. Reuse the socket on new PCB designs with the same footprint across revisions or in other programs. Quickly debug for problems. Our RC contact technology allows for rapid testing of multiple integrated circuits with a single socket, up to 10,000 cycles. One of the best benefits the SK Series family of test sockets provides is its ability to lower overall costs by eliminating the need for costly solder, encouraging reuse across programs, saving time during testing, and by providing recoverable components. Ardent Concepts offers 4 main styles of high-performance sockets. Ideal for multi-gigahertz, ASIC, SerDes, FPGA, network switches, and other high-performing devices, our spring-loaded test sockets offer the best available electrical performance for an all-metal solution. With pitch capability as low as 0.4 mm and force per node as low as 20 grams, massively parallel interfaces are possible without massive force. The deployment of new backplane systems with high signal speed optical modules presents design challenges for large server systems manufacturers. With higher node counts, tighter pitches, and concerns about power consumption pushing the need for better, lower resistance interconnect solutions, computer makers need to build field service and upgrade options into advanced server systems. Our optical sockets give customers the flexibility to swap out optical devices, preventing significant downtime and costly system rework by enabling solderless device-to-board interconnection. In addition to our standard optical sockets, we also offer plunge-to-board sockets designed to support surface mount butterfly gold box packages with tight pitches. These sockets utilize Ardent's mechanical design expertise to provide customers with a non-permanent test vehicle. Electrical performance of our plunge-to-board sockets is as good as or even better than direct attach and is largely a function of PCB design. SC test sockets were designed with one goal in mind: increase yields in ATE test of chip scale packages. This technology is capable of over 2 million mechanical insertions. The patented scrub action of the DUT side cuts through oxidation and creates a new surface of contact for each insertion. The unique cavity of the pin itself targets this translation to the top side, virtually eliminating board wear. In addition to our socket's high-quality performance and efficiency, we offer various lid options, including custom designs. Our easy-to-use bail lever lid provides the necessary force for high node count devices. Clip-on style lids are a cost and time-effective solution for production environments. Integrated clamshell style lids are equipped with twist knob latches so you never misplace a lid again. Custom designs which can interface to Peltier style cooling devices, thermostreams, and many other temperature controlled systems. Lastly, all of our heatsink designs can be offered with heat sinks and electric fans. Our dual-sided compression mount technology is a low compression force solution, requiring compressive loads within familiar ranges similar to pogo pin type contacts. The ability to offer low compressive force contacts allows our sockets to be used on a variety of PCB materials, including some softer high-speed materials like flex PCB. One consideration when designing for thinner or softer PCB materials is to design in a mechanical support plate called a board stiffener. Amphenol Ardent Concepts SK sockets include a board stiffener as a standard accessory with each socket, and our stiffeners can be custom tailored to your PCB to avoid contacts with integral components on the underside of your board. When ordering an SK series socket, customers have the option of specifying their own footprint. Our design engineers have extensive experience with designing our sockets to meet existing PCB layouts. Our sockets can also be offered in a variety of materials to suit your application. With pitches down to 0.4 mm, insertion cycles up to 10,000 mates and demates, and a temperature range of -40°C to 120°C, our SK family of sockets is suitable for a range of devices, pitches, and applications. Contact us at 603-474-1760 or visit our website at www.ardentconcepts.com today for more information. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for help solving your application challenges.